Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show, where we make plant-based cooking easy. I'm Jill, and today we are going to make a delicious spring cabbage salad.
It's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
Welcome back, everybody. So today we are going to make this delicious, simple cabbage salad. So it's spring, and maybe you're wanting to eat a little bit more light because it's spring. Maybe you've put on a few extra pounds over this cold winter season. That's just about everyone. So this salad is so delicious, and it's going to help you do just that. So what we have here, I've got 5 cups of shredded red cabbage, and I just cut it relatively fine, kind of like a coleslaw, but maybe not quite as fine as a coleslaw. And then I have 2 cups of shredded carrots, half a cup of really finely sliced red onion. But if you don't have a red onion, you could use white onion, or you could even use chives or like spring onions, something just to give it a little bit more of that oniony taste. But it would be really pretty if you put spring onions or chives. It would give it that green, more spring look, right? And then this is completely optional. This is a half a cup of raisins. That's just for a little bit of a sweet bite in there. You could do, like chopped up apricot or even cranberries, something like that. Or you could just leave them out too, if you don't like the sweetness of a raisin in your salad. Okay, so that's all that goes into the salad part. Now we're gonna make the dressing part. So we're gonna start out with half a cup of white wine vinegar. You could also use apple cider vinegar. I just really like the taste of white wine vinegar. I feel like it's a little bit more mild. A half a teaspoon of onion powder. A fourth of a cup of dates. These are already pitted. That's it. We're just gonna stick this in a blender. I just have my NutriBullet here because it's a smaller amount. Regular size blender usually struggles a little bit to do such a small amount. So if you have a smaller blender, all the better. While we're waiting for that, I'd like to share with you some background on our show. The Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show is crowd-funded, which means these free weekly recipe videos, along with our entire catalog of recipes on our website, plantbasedcookingshow.com, and our new Plant-Based Cooking Made Easy cookbook, are all made possible in part by the generous patronage of our supporting members. By becoming a supporting member, you gain access to great member perks like monthly product giveaways, free downloads of our ebooks, and access to our in-depth courses, including our 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy course, where we offer a step-by-step guide to making the switch to a fully plant-based diet. We create this show for the hundreds of thousands of viewers just like you who tune in each month from all over the world to make it easy for everyone to live a plant-based lifestyle. So if you love our content, please join us on our mission and become a supporting member today by following the link in the description. Okay, let's get back to the show. Okay, there we go. And of course, I forgot to add my Bragg's in there. This is 2 teaspoons of Bragg's liquid aminos, just for a little bit of a salty flavor. So we need to switch that in there a little bit. All right, so onto our salad. I'm gonna put a little bit of cracked pepper, just because I love cracked pepper. But you don't have to put it on there if you don't like cracked pepper. And the secret to this salad are toasted sesame seeds. So I just have them in here on my pan. I get raw sesame seeds and then I toast them lightly on the burner. You really have to kind of keep them moving. Be careful. You have to watch them carefully because they will burn so quickly and easily. So that took about, I don't know, 2 to 3 minutes to do. Okay, so we're just gonna sprinkle those over the salad. And that really gives this flavor, like sesame oil, but we're not doing oil or refined oils, right? We're gonna put the whole food fat in there that's good for you. Okay, so now we're gonna just pour that sauce over the top. And we're just gonna stir it with our tongs here. And this salad is great. You can make a huge batch of it, put it in a big Tupperware in your refrigerator, because it will keep for probably up to about a week. And then you can have this every day for lunch, or you can have it as a side with your dinner. But this serving right here, this will probably be good for, I don't know, 4 or 5 people for lunch, for a nice big healthy salad. And that's it. So simple, so quick, super delicious, and it's great for spring for a light salad. So I'm gonna get myself a bowl and a fork, and I'll meet you at the table for a taste. All right, I am ready to eat. I don't know about you, but this looks and smells delicious. So here we go. I love toasted sesame seeds so much. That gives it so much flavor. And there's a little bit of a bite from the vinegar, a hint of the sweetness from those raisins. Super crunchy, delicious. You're gonna love it. So be sure to give this a thumbs up, and I'll see you next week.